do something about that. When I was 40 years, I had R1 million. When I was 35 years, I had somebody working for me. When I was 38 years, I had people driving for me. When I was 50 years, I had 9 properties. When I was 52 years, I was doing overseas trip. At the age of 52 years, ngihambela lapha phesheya. Ngifuna ukuthi ukhule Razo. But ukhulise intwana ngegili emhlophe, ukhulise kahle ingane, ikhule. Ulide but ngeqiniso. Ulide ngeqiniso. This is about udokotela wesizibojabula mfana namhlanje yakhe. Topic namhlanje ithi Stokvel mentality. Stokvel mentality. Ngifuna uyibuze wena osadlala istokfela ngoba siyikhwanjisa ayisikhanyeli thina istokfela. Angiyifundi le nto. Istokfela if it was that good, why you Pick n Pay beno Shoprite bengadlali? If Stokvel was that good, why uSasol no engine bengadlali Stokvel? Stokvel sokuthelana ngopetrol no diesel. If Stokvel was that good, why big finance firms don't play Stokvel like banks? Start Bank Holelo or Absa. If Stokvel was that good, why mining industries don't play Stokvel? Why trucking businesses don't leave what they do and do Stokvel? Listen to me carefully. People abadlala istokfela either esokudla badlalela uRun Occasion Care where they are going to buy food in bulk from Jumbo Occasion Care. And you can never be smart and sacrifice yourself for one Occasion Care to go and spend it all. Imali estokfela yonke ithenga ukudla iphele. Kuthengwa ukudla. That's the way eating all day. Uzowenzane ama rice awu9. Ama rice awu9. What are you going to do? 5 packets of flowers, sugar, 4 sugars, blah blah blah. Hayibona kumhlola bo. Istokfela bakithi ake siyibuke le nto lena. Le nto it does not help us. Le nto lena is other mentality engazi ukuthi izibizwa but asikho ready ukuthi singaqhubeka nale nto. It's something that you are not ready. Uyazi umefika amaSomalia la awayidlala idokfela nezidolo. Umefika amaSomalia la awayidlala idokfela nezidolo kodwa. Ethiopians are nezidolo. Thina sidlala idokfela since 1994. We are not owning even one building. One building source out of Stokvel. One building, one